Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up blockchain environment only way. Start by installing Node.js and a compatible client, then configure your network ID, Genesis file, and consensus parameters to match your topology. Initialize nodes with the Genesis block, set data directories, and enable RPC and P2P access with secure firewall rules. Create accounts, seed test funds on a private chain, and automate reliable restarts. Using systemd, configure peers and boot nodes to ensure reliable connectivity across your network. Choose between proof of work, proof of stake, or permissioned consensus and tune parameters accordingly. Set gas limits, block time, and pruning options to balance performance and storage. Secure nodes with firewalls, SSH keys, and rate limiting. Monitor logs and metrics with Prometheus and Grafana, and automate backups and keys rotation on a schedule to protect your state and access. Set up local chains with Ganesh or Hardhat and fork mainnet state selectively for realistic testing. Use Truffle, Hardhat, or Brownie workflows to compile, test, and deploy smart contracts with deterministic artifacts. Integrate linters, static analyzers, and fuzzers to catch vulnerabilities early. Create CI pipelines that run tests, gas checks, and security scans on pull requests, and document developer onboarding and common commands in a README for faster team ramp-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.